A disturbing video shows a cobra as it wraps itself around a child's neck in India. The video has gone viral. For those who are used to seeing a baby surrounded by soft toys in a cot, this video should come as somewhat of a shock. The story takes place in a small village in Punjab, India. The owner of the house noticed that strange things were happening in his son's bedroom. The child sleeps alone, always crying at night, even when he is not sick, which made the couple confused. The wife used to put a jug of milk near his bed if he was hungry at night, but she found it completely empty in the morning when she told her husband. The man was certain that someone would come to disturb his son at night, so he decided not to sleep and hide and leave the door to his son's bedroom open and watch what happens. The man was standing near a door. He saw a 2-meter-long poisonous snake entering the room through the window and approaching the bed in which his son was sleeping. Then he was shocked and watched in panic. The snake crawled over the sleeping child's body and climbed onto the table on which the milk jug was and began to drink. It turned around the child's foot and remained in that position. When the little boy felt that something was bothering him, he woke up and began to cry and move his feet. Then the snake moved from its place and came out of the window. The next day, the father used 2 workers in the Wildlife Conservation Council who came at night, caught the snake, and drove it away. Then they told the father to bring a mongoose to his house to protect his young, because the snake is accustomed to the smell of a little boy and considers that the house a source of food, so it will surely come back again.